Welcome back to the Indian Risk Management Awards, Pioneers in Risk Management, which honors organizations who were able to mitigate risks and implement best risk management practices during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The pharmaceutical industry in India is the third largest in the world in terms of volume and the 14th largest in terms of value. The pharma sector currently contributes to around 1.72% of the country's GDP. India also has the second highest number of US FDA-approved plants outside the US and is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. Indian medicines are preferred worldwide, thereby rightly making the country the pharmacy of the world. Lupin is the fifth largest company in the Indian pharmaceutical market, with pioneers in the space of cardiovascular, diabetes, respiratory, GI, and anti-infectives. But the pandemic creating havoc in every sector, the pharmaceutical industry was also in the firing line. From supply chain disruptions to challenges around cyber risk management and data governance, privacy, companies had to stay on their toes to ride out the storm.
Being pharma and essential for human consumption, we have identified the entire business into three segments. One is risk connected with the employees, risk connected with business continuity, and risk connected with manufacturing. From an business continuity part, we took into consideration supply chain disruptions, so that early sourcings of material from various parts of the world that was well handled, and those were in place for the purpose of manufacturing, plus transportation, logistic connected with this were well handled. From a manufacturing processes, SOPs connected for manufacturing connected with PPE kit, SOPs, handling with the equipments, those were SOPs were all kept in place, and trainings were given to each of the employees how to manufacture in COVID related situations, so that those people are absolutely safe while manufacturing process are concerned.
As the COVID-19 storm passes, though slowly, the pharmaceutical industry is getting back on its feet. It has become critical for pharma companies to adopt a more holistic, wide-range approach that integrates risk management into every aspect of their digital transformation.
Over the years, Lupin has developed an in-house information technology process. We call it Kavach, that is Hindi word basically for shield, and wherein there is training to all the employees across Lupin, wherein protection of data takes place. There's a system which one has to follow. Those trainings are provided. It is a regular training program which is provided to each and every employee of Lupin through online system. We have a communication system under Kavach under various methodologies for manufacturing, for R&D related positions, for sales related positions, for HR related positions, those particular aspect of it. Also during the pandemic time, because of increased use of technology, we developed Global InfoSec training program, wherein every employee of Lupin has to go through this mandatory training. At the same time, there is also a compulsory certification to be obtained at the end of the training program. Digital transformation cannot be overnight, but at the same time, we identify if we need to explain our own aspect of how we have put in place the use of digital or IT into our entire business aspect, that we have kept this as a not a one-off event. We have made it as a part of our entire system of manufacturing. We have made it part of our entire employee working culture. We have made it as a part of entire R&D related information. We have adopted automation at each and every step into this particular aspect.
Time for a short break, but don't go anywhere. On the other side, we meet up with the winners from the logistics sector.